Are you looking for something new to try for breakfast besides chia oats? Then try this Swiss recipe for Bircher muesli. It is super easy to prepare and filled with nutrients, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. The first thing we do is to soak old-fashioned oats in apple juice for at least 4 hours, or best overnight, and we keep them in the fridge. After 4 hours, or in the next morning, we add yogurt to the soaked oats and we mix everything with a spoon. We keep the oat yogurt mix aside and we grate the apple. We then add almost all of the grated apples to the oats. The rest we need for garnish. We mix with a spoon. And we transfer everything to a cute bowl, or you can just use the same. We add the last bit of the grated apple on top. And we sprinkle with some nuts and dried fruits. In the original recipe, you will use some nuts and raisins, but you can use any kind of dried fruits. For a fresh kick, I also like to add some fresh fruits. Here I'm using blueberries, one of my favorite. And that's it, a super easy, veganized recipe. I hope you like, and I hope you will try it and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.